Hello everyone. Today you can see this is a land for sale near to Bokhali Sea Beach and 10 Mile Bazaar, and currently connectivity is excellent from Kolkata. Only 2 hours and 50 minutes it will take to reach here from Kolkata, and all the AC buses from Howrah and Dharmantala is available to the Bokhali for the tourists. So this is the total land. The land area of this parcel is around 4 bigha currently for sale, and we are giving you a glimpse. This is the main approach of this land. So we will develop a very beautiful road over here, and the plots will be developed, and every plots will be 1.5 kata to 2.5 kata. So in this parcel you can have 50 plots. So this is the total frontage of this land. This is 300 feet frontage approximately, and this is the boundary on this side, and that is the boundary on that side. So the land is clearly demarcated by the trees. You can see the last tree over there. So clearly demarcated land, and we will also demarcate the subplots with boundaries, small boundaries, and we will develop a road just in between this land. This is the this will be a common road to approach those lands. So the prices will be very attractive. Currently we are launching this project at the price of 1.5 kata. Land will be costing you around 2.30 lakhs, and the registration fees is also very nominal. It's only about 8 to 10%. So this is the actual plot, and the road is very much approachable because it's just 250 meters from National Highway 117, which is approaching towards Bokhali Sea Beach. You will develop your dream home over here, which is weekend destination. You can enjoy very close proximity from 10 Mile Bazaar. Not only that, from Namkhana Beach, and not only just here is a picnic spot you can develop like this. Henry's Island is only 3.5 kilometers from this land, and Moushumi Island, which is also another very popular tourist destination currently, it's only about 7 to 8 kilometers from here. So close proximity from many tourist destinations will attract investment on these locations. So if you are interested to invest over here, then please contact us as soon as possible. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.